Uganda lyerimu ku mawanga ageetaba mu mpaka za Olympics ezayindira mu ggwanga erya Japan era ng'empaka zino zaagenda okuwunzikibwa nga Uganda ekutte kyakubiri mu ssemazinga wa Africa ng'olunaku olwaleero abamu ku bazannyi abakiikirira Uganda mu mpaka zino balabiseeko mu lukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu ne lusiima emirimu gye baakola.
At the highest number of medals Uganda has won in a single entry since 1956. When Uganda first participated in the Olympic Games. Consider that, as a result of this excellent performance, Uganda came second to Kenya in Africa and secured the 36th position in the world. Considering that athletes that represent Uganda in various sports disciplines do not undergo the organic process of growth as compared to their competitors at international level.
Akulira ekibiina ekitwala omuzannyo gw'omupiira wano mu ggwanga ekya FUFA era nga mukiise mu lukiiko luno Hasim Moses Magogo yaleese ekiteeso ekisemba okusimba abazannyi bano. Ono asabye gavumenti okwongera ensimbi mu by'emizannyo olw'ensonga nti ensimbi eziteekebwamu nti ntono nnyo omuli n'ebisaawe ebikozesebwa okuba nga biri mu mbeera mbi nnyo.
In the coming financial year. That Parliament requires that the Minister of Education and Sports presents to Parliament for approval a performance reward policy for athletes that represent Uganda and excel in various sports disciplines and international competitions. That Parliament urges government to fast track completion of the Teriet High Altitude Center, renovation of Mandela National Stadium that houses a number of sports disciplines.
Abakiise beemulugunyizza ku nsimbi entono eziteekebwa mu by'emizannyo abamu ne balangira ne gavumenti okusanyukira mu buwanguzi bwe batalina kyamaanyi kye bataddemu.
By this August House. We talked about the athletes. There is no athlete that can perform without a coach, without a medical team. Secondly, Right Honourable Speaker, is the issue of construction of facilities. At least every region or sub-region should have a model stadium for field and track events plus an indoor stadium. These are things we can appropriate and legislate.
To put up a proper medal awarding system. We can see countries like Estonia, where a person who wins the gold medal gets like $700,000 US. And silver, bronze, and a plus. But here, when Mr. Museveni is happy, he gives them a goat and maybe a car.
And building the high altitude facility in Kapchorwa so that our athletes can have facilities where to train. Madam Speaker, I'm very grateful that your office is going to provide 10 million to help Davis Kamoga, our former national athlete, whom I associated with to solve his problems.
Olympians, we really move from speech to action. The next time we should be coming here, we should be talking about an increased budget for the sports in action and not only in words. To what Honourable Speaker, we should be doing a lot of service to the sports fraternity if we also considered amending the relevant sports laws in this country.
Mu kusooka wabaddewo okukubaganya ebirowoozo ng'abamu balowooza nti okusiima kuno tekwandikoleddwa olwaleero wabula kwandikoleddwa ng'abawangulira Uganda emidaali bonna weebali. Engeri gye kiri nti abawanguzi bonna tebaliiwo era nga baagenze kwetaba mu mpaka za misinde mu ggwanga erya America.
As I raised this procedure issue was whether this motion cannot be deferred until the golden people are back, so that they see the emotions of Parliament. And this story
information. Honourable Semiju, information. Thank you, Honourable Semiju. I have heard your point of procedure and your advice to Parliament. But again, as sportsmen, we compete as a team.
I want to propose that we proceed and have the motion whatever will be discussed here will be extracted and forwarded to them. And they will be able to appreciate that Parliament was really grateful to what they did in as far as their contribution to this country is concerned.
Palamenti era esuubiza nga bw'ejja okutegeka y'ekyeggulo balye n'ekibinja kyonna ekyakiikirira Uganda mu mpaka zino.
In the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, from 23rd July to 8th August, and this includes Dr. Patrick Bernard Ogwell, the General Secretary of National Council. You're most welcome. Honorable Miss Beatrice Aikoru, Vice President Olympics Committee.
Eggulire lino likusakiddwa Isa Kigongo ku lwa 44 eggulo.